Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your credit card with Heartland Bank. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To recover your credit card with Heartland Bank, start by visiting the official Heartland Bank website. Look for the login section on the home page. Click on the Forgot Password link. You will be redirected to a verification page. Enter the required information, such as your username or email address associated with your account. Submit the information to receive a verification email. Check your email inbox for an email from Heartland Bank. Follow the instructions provided in the email to reset your password. Once your password has been reset, return to the Heartland Bank website. Log in using your new password. Navigate to the Accounts section of your account dashboard. Select the option for managing your credit card. If necessary, request a replacement card if your current one is lost or stolen. Confirm your request by following any additional prompts. Your new card will be mailed to your registered address. Make sure to activate your new card once it arrives. For any further assistance, contact Heartland Bank's customer service. You can reach customer service through the phone number listed on their website. Provide them with the necessary details to help you with your inquiry. Follow their guidance for a smooth resolution. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.